day. But this thing right behind me, 2023 West 93rd Street. Around the outside looks pretty good. I already put my head inside. It's bare bones, but let's go take a look at this thing and see what we can make. All right, first look. We got some paint on the steps. Overall, the decking's in good shape. I just walked on it. It looks pretty good. I got the soffit cleaned up. Looks like new windows up top. Let's see what we got coming down the side here. So it looks like they've done a really good job on this thing so far. New siding, or at least cleaned up. New windows, gutters. Roof looks pretty damn good too. That chimney, excuse me. That chimney's not looking so hot, but that's an easy fix. Trim these trees away from everything. Got a new electrical meter, and it's on, so there's power here. That's a beautiful thing. Back deck steps. Oh, big old gopher. You're gonna get evicted, fool. We got a bunch of holes in the back of the house. I don't like that, but nothing that's making me run away right now. Got another electrical meter over here. No, we'll get to that. Let's just zoom in. Alright, let's go take a look at this thing in the front. Alright, so structurally, these things are sturdy. Got a lot of wood rot on these things. We got some exposed wood. Need some light fixtures. Let's see what we got. We'll go left first. Alright, so we got the original wood floors. Not bad condition. Ductworks ran. Looks like it was ready for insulation. Electric run, new light fixtures, new windows. I'm liking this thing already. Ducts. Oh, just slap some sheetrock up on everything. Damn, they even pulled all of the old knob and tube out. See right there? That's electric done right. I'm not even an electrician, but I know that. Take a look at the creepy patient in a minute. Kitchen layout. Water lines run, kind of. So you got your gas hookup, sink, another gas hookup. This is probably water, maybe? No. I'm not sure why there's two. Looks like two gas hookups, but we'll check that out when we go downstairs. This thing's a big old shed. Go left first. So I already got a tub in. This is one bedroom. Windows are new. I like that. Roof looks good. I like that. Electric's good. Looks like plumbing's good. Gotta finish running ductwork. So bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. If you ever wonder what a fire break looks like between a duplex, looks like that. So, big room. So I look at co-living. So we can easily do 2 beds in here, 2 beds in there, and probably 1 in the smaller area. That roof looks in really good condition. Let's head up to the attic. bedroom over here, or bathroom, sorry. Looks like it's pretty ready to go. So you got your sink, tub shower, toilet, vanity, or vanity's on the other side. Can't talk today, I don't know why. And then just a storage and chill area. You can do another bedroom in here. And one, possibly two beds in here. There's that fire break wall again. And one thing to look for on all the roofing is water staining or any wet. I don't see any of that in here. This thing is solid. All right, let's go check out the basement. So we got a laundry sink. Door's a little muffed. Got a new panel. Plenty of extra space. Water heater. October 23. Man, look at that. That's one hell of a plumbing setup right there. A little bit of water down here, but nothing crazy. New water lines once it's inside. Water's leaking, that's why it's wet. All right, so this part of the pipe here has to be fixed. And there's no water meter to it. So, unless, yeah, I don't think there's a water meter hooked up, but that's one thing we'll have to get working. You got a date on any of this stuff here? '23. So that was done in either 18 or 23. I am pleasantly surprised and impressed with how clean this thing is. And we got your back door walkout. All right, let's go look at the other side. All right, so we just looked at the left side. Now we're gonna walk through the right side. It's probably a mirror image. I didn't finish pulling all the knob and tube out of here, but super exposed, so that's easy. There was definitely water coming through here at some point, but looks like everything's sealed up nice and tight. Kitchen area. You got your gas line, got your water lines. Once you close that up, then you won't be able to see neighbors. Got a little porch out here. I like this thing a lot. You got one full bath in here. Looks like they had to sister up a lot of stuff here. So you got one bedroom here. Another bedroom here. Looks like this side was not floored above, but it is now. And the big room on this side. And I really like this thing. What do you think? Did you drop? drop me a comment below. What in the hell is that? And we got full bath number 2. Really just kind of dead space, storage space. I would say there was definitely issues on this side with as much new plywood as there is, but new roof fixes a whole lot of stuff. No water penetration or anything in here. Chill area, another bedroom in here. Have to finish closing that off, probably just from underneath. Oh man, there's a birdie. That stinks. I really like this place. So you got 8 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. A lot of the expensive grunt work's already done. Let's take a look at this basement. We got big water lines. We got a new electric panel. Here's the old panel. And water heater, 2003. New vent lines. Dude, somebody did this thing right. There's your walkout from the basement. Water manifold. This thing looks even newer. Let's see if we can find a date here. 23 also. So we, dude, this thing hasn't even been turned on. Look how clean that thing is. It's probably cleaner than mine at home. I guess I gotta get it serviced. And so the water line was coming in on the other side. I wonder if it's only one water line. It's probably only one water line, but I'm gonna go check on the other side. So there's your gas line. Where's my water? Come with me. What the? Gas. Cobweb. That's the main water line sneaking in. All right, so this gas line's not even hooked up here. So this line that we follow, I'm dumb. So that's that gas line. How does it come from? Shoots up. Kitchen, shoots over to that. I don't see where it's connected to get. I bet it's right here. So there's nothing feeding this gas line, so I don't know where in the hell it's supposed to tap in at. What do you think about these two places? I really like them. So we got on each side, now remember this is a duplex. The outside, completely done, new siding, everything's been painted on the outside, the roof is new, the windows are new, we got new siding, we had a little bit of exterior stuff, but ultimately, it's pretty much done. You walk inside and it's pretty much a blank slate. We got new plumbing lines, we got new electric lines. I think we may try to throw a bid on this thing. What do you think? Should I put a bid on this thing? Because they're selling it as just one building, but there's 4 bedrooms on each side. There's 2 full baths on each side. It needs a kitchen on each side, drywall, flooring refinished, new flooring up here, new flooring upstairs. I don't know. If you had to guess, what would something like this cost to renovate? I don't know. Drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.